Hey everyone! Welcome back! Today, I'm diving into a super exciting topic that's all about the future of cloud technology, edge computing. If you've ever wondered what edge computing is, how it works, and why it's such a big deal, you're in the right place. So grab a snack and let's get started. First off, let's break down what edge computing actually is. Think of traditional cloud computing, data processed and stored in big, centralized data centers. Edge computing flips this model by bringing the processing power closer to where the data is generated. Instead of sending everything to a faraway cloud, edge computing processes data locally, right at the edge of the network. Basically, it's like having a mini data center right where you need it. Now, you might be wondering, imagine you're using a smart home device like a smart thermostat. With traditional cloud computing, the data from your thermostat would travel all the way to a distant data center to be processed and then travel back to your device. This round trip can take a bit of time. But with edge computing, your thermostat processes the data locally, making everything faster and more efficient. So why is edge computing important? Well, there are a few key reasons. First, speed. By reducing the distance data has to travel, edge computing significantly cuts down on latency. This is crucial for applications that need real-time responses, like autonomous vehicles or gaming. Imagine a self-driving car needing to make a split-second decision. With edge computing, it can process information instantly, rather than waiting for data to travel back and forth to a cloud server. Second, edge computing helps reduce the amount of data that needs to be sent over the internet. This not only saves bandwidth, but also enhances security by keeping sensitive information closer to its source. Your data is processed locally, minimizing the risk of interception or breach during transfer. And third, it boosts reliability. In traditional cloud setups, if a data center goes down, you might lose access to your services. But with edge computing, even if part of the network fails, the local processing can continue, ensuring better continuity and reliability of services. Alright, let's wrap this up. Edge computing is transforming how we handle data, making it faster, more secure, and more reliable. Whether it's improving the performance of your smart devices or enabling critical real-time applications, edge computing is paving the way for a more connected and efficient future. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech insights. And if you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!